guys, it's Caroline. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a quick and easy cheesy chicken broccoli casserole, and I wanted to show you how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to be really quick here, but I wanted to show you I'm going to use 2 packs of the steamable broccoli florets, which are Pick Sweet, which I love this brand. I'm going to use a block of the Monterey Jack Cheese, and I'm going to use probably about a half a block of the Philadelphia 8-ounce. You can use any cream cheese. I'm trying to do this really super quick. We've been busy all day, so I just want a quick dinner to put together. I'm going to use this Tyson oven roasted diced chicken breast, and I'm going to use some seasonings. Let's see, your onion powder. I'm going to use maybe a little bit of oregano. I have to decide on that. And some garlic powder. So I just want to show you how I'm going to make this. I'm going to throw this dish together. It's going to be delicious, quick, and easy. Okay, once your broccoli is finished cooking in the microwave, you are going to put it in a pot. And you're going to turn the heat to about medium. And you will take your, let's see here, let me get a spoon. You're going to take your cream cheese. I've already cut mine up just because I like to have it already in pieces. You don't have to do that, but I just find that it melts a little bit better. So I'm going to put the cream cheese in with the broccoli. And that should start warming up. You're not really trying to get it overcooked. You're just wanting to get it softened and kind of, a texture that you can mix all together. Now I've gone ahead and shredded my block of Monterey Jack cheese. This has made about 2 cups. So I think if you got a, an 8-ounce bag, it would be just about enough too. And I'm going to go ahead and put about half of that in with the cream cheese and broccoli. And I'm going to heat that up and keep stirring gently until the cheese melts and incorporates with the broccoli. And you don't really have to get it like a runny consistency. I just want the cream cheese to start melting. All right, once you notice that the cheese is mixing up very nicely, you're going to go ahead and take your bag of the roasted diced chicken breast that I showed you. Now, I am not cooking that ahead of time. It's already a pre-cooked meat. It's cold because it's refrigerated. And we're going to be baking this dish, so I don't cook it ahead of time again. I'm just going to wait until it actually is in the oven to warm up. I'm going to put that bag of chicken breast in there with it. I like to season on top of the chicken. So you're going to use a generous amount of onion powder. I'll use a generous amount of garlic powder. And I'm going to throw a little bit of oregano in there for good measure. Since we are on the keto, we need our Himalayan salt. I'm going to put some pink Himalayan salt. It's a lot heavier than regular salt, so you want to be careful with that. And I'm going to put some pepper. And now I'm going to incorporate all of those together gently. You're not wanting to break up the broccoli, you're just wanting to mix it all so that it's an even mixture. Alright, once you have the mixture incorporated, you're then going to transfer it from your pot over to a 9-inch square pan. Now, I normally would use cooking spray if you're using just a regular pan. I'm using a copper pan, so it doesn't require any spraying because Nothing sticks to these. Otherwise, you would use your olive oil spray or your coconut oil spray, whatever you want for the pan. So I'm transferring everything over to the pan, and if there is any liquid at the bottom, you probably don't want that in there. You don't want it a watery consistency. It's best if you can drain your broccoli before you put it in the pot. So you want to avoid that as much as possible. Now once that is in your pan, you're just going to evenly distribute it. It's already looking good, isn't it? And then we're going to top with our the remainder of the shredded cheese, the Monterey Jack cheese. I like to put a little bit of pepper on the top. And just a little bit more of the oregano. And then we're going to bake in the oven on 375 for about 30 minutes. And I'll show you how it looks afterwards. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes on 375. Now we like our cheese to be just a little bit crispier than this, so I will put this back in the oven now for 10 minutes on broil. You don't have to do that if you don't like your cheese to be crispy. We do. You'll want, after it's completed, you're going to want to let this sit for about 10 minutes so that it cools just a bit and the cheese will thicken up. So I'm going to put this back in the oven for about 10 more minutes and I'll show you the final result. Okay guys, so this took actually about 5 minutes on high broil, and as you can see, it really toasted up the top. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to let this cool for about 10 minutes and we're going to plate it up. I can't wait to eat it. It smells so good. Such an easy dish to make. Okay guys, so here we go. It's nice and cooked and plated perfectly. It cooled down just a little bit, and as you can see, it's got the broccoli and cheese and some chicken in there, and it's just absolutely delicious. So this is a super easy dish that your family will love, and also it is keto friendly. So if you make it, let me know how it turns out for you. Please comment and share this video. I'm so excited to share these recipes with you, and I hope you enjoy.